Hey everyone, welcome back to Modern Gadget Guy, the place where tech meets practicality. Today we're checking out a sleek little flyer that's been buzzing through the skies and into the hands of beginner and seasoned pilots alike. The DJI Neo Mini Drone with a 4K UHD camera. Compact, powerful, and feature-packed, this drone is creating a lot of buzz. But is it worth it? Let's dive into everything you need to know before hitting buy now. Design and build. First up, the design. The DJI Neo Mini is exactly what you'd expect from DJI. Minimalist, lightweight, and well-engineered. Weighing just under 250 grams, it's ultra-portable and doesn't require FAA registration in the US, which is a huge plus for casual flyers. Despite its small size, the Neo doesn't feel cheap. The foldable arms snap into place with satisfying precision, and the propellers are quiet yet efficient. Perfect for flying in parks, open fields, or even from your backyard. The body is built with durability in mind. It can handle minor crashes, which, let's be honest, will happen, without shattering into drone confetti. Camera performance. Alright, let's talk camera, because that's what you're really here for, right? The DJI Neo is equipped with a 4K UHD camera that captures video at 30 frames per second and photos at 12 MP. But numbers aside, the image quality is impressive for a drone in this category. Colors are vivid, details are crisp, and the 3-axis gimbal stabilization keeps footage silky smooth even in moderate winds. Whether you're filming a scenic coastline or just following your dog through a field, the Neo holds its own with video quality that punches well above its weight class. Even better, you've got quick-shot modes like Droney, Rocket, Circle, and Helix, perfect for beginners who want cinematic footage with a single tap. You don't need to be a drone pro to capture pro-level shots. Flight performance. So how does it fly? In a word, smoothly. The DJI Neo boasts GPS and downward vision sensors, which help it hover stably and return home safely. The max flight time is around 31 minutes on a full charge, which is solid for a drone this compact. Flying is intuitive with the included remote controller, or via the DJI Fly app if you prefer smartphone control. The Neo responds quickly, has excellent range, and is nimble enough to navigate tight spots or soar into wide-open skies. It also includes obstacle avoidance light, meaning it'll gently steer clear of minor obstacles when in flight. While not as advanced as the tech in DJI's flagship models, it's a big help for beginner pilots who want that extra peace of mind. Wind resistance? Surprisingly good. It can handle breezes without wobbling like a dollar store drone. Features and smart modes. Now let's geek out on features. Return to home, RTH, is a lifesaver, literally. Lose connection or get too low on battery, and the Neo automatically flies back to its takeoff point. Level 5. Wind resistance, that winds up to 24 miles per hour, makes this mini drone surprisingly stable for its size. Live video transmission in HD lets you stream what the drone sees directly to your phone, up to 10 kilometers away, with OcuSync 2.0 tech. DJI Fly app. This is where DJI shines. You can edit your footage, add music, and share directly from the app. It's beginner-friendly and powerful enough for experienced users too. Whether you're hiking, traveling, or just creating content for your socials, the Neo makes it easy to get creative. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest in gadget reviews. Battery, portability, and accessories. Let's talk battery life and portability. The DJI Neo comes with a single intelligent flight battery that gives you roughly 31 minutes of flight time. I recommend picking up the Fly More combo, which includes 2 extra batteries, a charging hub, and a carrying case. Because trust me, 30 minutes feels short when you're having fun. Charging time is around 90 minutes, and the battery has built-in safety protections to prevent overcharging and overheating. As for portability, the whole drone, folded, fits easily into a backpack or even a large jacket pocket. This is a drone designed for travel and spontaneous adventures. Who is it for? So who's this drone for? Beginners who want a hassle-free flying experience with automated safety and cinematic features. Content creators looking to upgrade their travel vlogs, Instagram reels, or YouTube videos with smooth aerial footage. And even experienced pilots who want a reliable secondary drone that won't break the bank or their backs. It's not meant for professional-grade commercial filming, but it absolutely nails the sweet spot between affordability and performance. Pros and cons. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros. Outstanding 4K camera with 3-axis stabilization. Lightweight and no FAA registration required. Long battery life for a mini drone. Beginner-friendly quick-shot modes. Solid wind resistance and obstacle avoidance. Fantastic app experience and editing tools. Cons. Lacks full 360-degree obstacle sensing. No raw photo capture, only JPEG. Controller doesn't include a built-in screen. Fly More combo is almost a necessity for serious use. Final rating and conclusion. So what's the final verdict? The DJI Neo Mini Drone is a phenomenal entry-level drone with serious punch. For under $500, you're getting high-end video capabilities, solid stability, and enough smart features to keep things fun, all packed into a tiny, travel-ready body. We're giving it a 9 out of 10. It's not perfect, but for most users, especially those just starting their drone journey, this is as good as it gets in this price range. If you're ready to take to the skies with the DJI Neo, click the link in the description below to check it out on Amazon. Thanks for watching Modern Gadget Guy. And until next time, stay smart and stay flying.